Morning, happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you very much. Where are we going today?
Today we're going to the Flightline Cafe in Winter Haven to grab some brunch. We have some weather, so that kind of deterred our longer trip for today.
Let's go. Semi-ground November 2959 uniform in spot 1 with information Delta, requesting taxi for a west departure.
Turkey 2959 uniform, Kissimmee, runway 24 taxi via Bravo.
Runway 24 via Bravo, 2959 uniform. Alright, let's go. Okay. It's going to be straight out departure, straight to the west too.
The clouds are holding out so far.
Clear, is it clear back there? Clear to the right?
You're right.
All right. Semi Tower, November 2959 uniform, holding short at 24 at Bravo. Ready for departure.
959 uniform, Kissimmee Tower, proceed on course, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Proceed on course, runway 24, clear for takeoff, 2959 uniform. Fly good?
And gooder, I love you.
Love you too. Clear to the left. Clear to the right. All good. Lights, camera, action. We got everything's on. Runway is clear. Go ahead and do our turnout here. And let's go. Here comes the full throttle. We are center line. Alright, here we go. Airspeed's alive. And gauges are in the green. There's 45.
Tower, good morning. Flight 77111 to Julie.
Looks like the clouds are, see them? Right above us, coming in.
Kissimmee Tower, helicopter 2 Golf Foxtrot is forward to the southeast, inbound for max flight.
Helicopter 2 Golf Foxtrot, proceed inbound to max flight ramp, landing will be at your own risk.
Alright, there's 1,000, let's do our climb.
Wind storm, landing at own risk, 2 Golf Foxtrot.
Flaps up.
Flaps are up.
Fuel pump off.
Fuel pump is off.
Instruments check.
In the green, in the green, in the green. Alright.
Initial climb 79 Kias.
Yep, we got 79 Kias.
And checklist complete.
79 Kias. Alright,
Kia.
checklist complete, and let's let's continue on.
Juliet, destination is Odyssey.
I think what we're going to do today is probably just stay about 1500. That way we don't have to, we're only going for about,
Delta and taxi into Odyssey.
our ETA is 15 minutes, so.
With you.
Good, because I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
I'm hungry.
Winter Haven traffic, White Cherokee, 1 mile final for runway 23, Winter Haven traffic.
About the traffic, 577 Tango uniform, turn right base, runway 15 Apopka.
Okay, well, here we are, Flightline Cafe.
Winter Haven.
In Winter Haven. Not very many aircraft here either. Pretty empty, I would say, today. So let's go grab something to eat. Okay. This is really a nice facility for here's coffee. Sit. How you doing? And then the rest offices in the back. And over to a cafe. And there is nobody here. Alright. Oh, I'll take it back. There's some people outside eating. This place is absolutely beautiful. Alright, let's eat.
Ready?
Yep. Breakfast was delicious. Clouds are starting to roll in, so we're going to head back. Kissimmee.
Yeah, we did get a couple more aircraft come in though, so that was good.
Like November 6969 whiskey
I like
showed
that
up.
That was a good one. 6969 whiskey. Alright, let me talk real quick. Winter Haven traffic, November 2959 uniform. White Cherokee exiting the cafe, taxiing on Foxtrot for runway 23. Winter Haven traffic.
Check your brakes.
More brakes.
Winter Haven traffic, 008 uniform, departing runway 23, Winter Haven.
I didn't even see him down there.
He's right there, Sam.
Yeah, now I see him. Clouds.
Yeah. Well, they said the weather gave us it's 2,300, so probably be pretty good that we're heading back right now. Anyways, we're gonna have a tailwind, so we'll be able to get back a little bit quicker. There you go. That's the 235. That's the plane I want. Cherokee 235.
What did that Facebook thing say? Is it bad to start a GoFundMe for a plane?
Winter Haven traffic, White Cherokee, November 2959. Uniform holding short of runway 23 at Foxtrot 1, taking 23 for a east departure. Winter Haven traffic. Lights, camera, action. There's that. There's that. That. Fly good?
Ain't gooder. I love you.
Love you too. Let's go. All right. All right. Okay, we're all clear on the left, all clear on the right. And let's run this up. There's center line, here comes the power. There's full throttle. And the gauges are in the green. Here's center line. Airspeed's coming alive. There's 40. There's 50. Well, you know, at least we got out today. I think that was a good thing, so.
Pocket traffic, wire 280, we're going spinning right downwind for departure to the west of pocket traffic.
Alright, so, let me see, what time is it? We should be okay for making our weather right now on this, so.
Runway 15, RNAV, runway 33, circle land, runway 24 approaches are in use, land runway 24.
Runway 24.
Use caution numerous birds in the vicinity of Kissimmee Airport and advise on initial contact. You have the information, Echo.
Echo is the info. Echo is the info. That 27.
Kissimmee Airport information, Echo 1456 Zulu weather, wind 240 at 8, visibility 10. 7,500 scattered, temperature 290.23, altimeter 299.5.
It's still the same.
ILS, runway 15, RNAV.
299.5 still. We're still set on that, so we're good. Did we pass 27? Was that 27 right there?
I don't think so. Not yet.
Trying to get it so that the house will be on the right hand side. You could take a picture of it. Penthouse is up. That was ours.
Oh, yeah. There it is.
Public traffic, Seminole 292, November Delta, midfield, right down 115, full stop, pop up.
Cessna 873-516, turning left down the runway.
Look at the rain over there.
45.
Hey, do you want to make a short approach? Try emergency landing?
Not emergency. Nothing emergency.
Nothing emergency?
No.
Well, you got to practice every once in a while. We'll just turn the power off and then turn and land. Is that okay? All right. Let's say, hey, I got a great idea. What do you say we just go down and do a normal landing today? We'll just go down and we'll do the normal stuff, okay?
Let's just land.
Okay. We'll just,
I'm all about landing.
Okay.
Gooder.
Yep. Kissimmee Tower, November 2959, uniform, midfield 424.
Uniform, you said full stop?
Full stop, yes.
Uniform, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24, 2959 uniform. All right, there's the numbers. Let's cut it back. 1700. And there's 60. All right. Good job, babe.
Call me.
Uniform, right turning, taxi via Bravo to monitor ground.
Right turn and taxi via Bravo, monitor ground. 2959 uniform.
That's 299, runway 24, clear for takeoff, left turn right.
Clear for takeoff, left turn out 299.
Okay, let's clean it up.
Thanks for joining us for our quick trip to Winter Haven and the Flightline Cafe for our Father's Day lunch. The airport is very small, but it is very quiet and clean. The ground staff there is very welcoming and helpful. Food is delicious at Flightline Cafe. We had chicken tacos and Philly cheesesteak and received excellent service from our server, Emily. And we got back just in time. That storm did catch up with us right before landing. The wind picked up and definitely got some rain as soon as we landed and started closing up the plane. And we completely avoided having to do emergency landings because of such. So thanks for going with us, and we will see you on the next trip.